MStars starts with a simple question. Where does operator attention matter most? Our Growth Hub brings intelligence and execution together across multiple growth channels. Here, we'll focus on how that operating model works across Apple Ads. On the dashboard, KPI attainment, blended CPA, budget pacing, and return sit alongside the largest active gap. This is more than a reporting surface. It ranks the scope that needs intervention and keeps the account, target, and current result in view. For an agency team, that means less time scanning separate accounts and more time beginning with the most material operating question. From that priority, the operator opens AI-assisted inspection. The issue becomes a reviewable recommendation tied to a keyword, campaign, and ad group. Current and suggested bids appear together. Recent performance, source facts, reasoning, and expected effect remain in the same review. Nothing needs to be accepted on faith, and no action is taken here. Evidence also extends into keyword opportunity. Competitor expansion combines the app, selected markets, and relative or sampled market signals. The operator can move from a ranked opportunity table into a localized recommendation, suggested bid, intended campaign destination, cost guardrail, and supporting evidence. These are MStars decision support signals, not official Apple recommendations. Once the evidence is clear, the working context moves directly into campaign operations. Performance and object-level controls are available together, from portfolio charts into campaign and keyword detail. The hierarchy stays visible as the view moves from performance to the object where work happens. Operators can review bids, match types, estimated daily spend, and competitive context without rebuilding the decision in another tool. For repeatable work, Rules turns operating logic into a configured scope, condition, and action. The plain language preview shows what the rule would evaluate and do before it is enabled. Execution history records the affected object, previous value, new value, currency, and result. That creates a visible operational trail, while the exact approval and write boundary remains controlled by the configured workflow. Measurement closes the loop. Review compares one inspection with the next, shows movement against target, and tracks adoption, risk change, and action status across governance categories. The daily AI-assisted report connects the KPI version used for each run with inspection coverage, action progress, performance, and the next operating cycle. The model stays consistent: attention, evidence, action, measurement. Measurement feeds the next decision so operators can see what matters, understand why, move with control, and review what happened. MStars.ai CMP, Intelligence and Automation for Apple Ads.